Now at 5, the family of a man killed by a former Franklin County Sheriff's deputy is getting a settlement from the county. Casey Goodson Jr.'s family will receive $7 million, nearly 4 years after he was shot and killed by former deputy Jason Mead. Mead went on trial earlier this year, but the jury was hung and a judge declared a mistrial. Thanks for joining us at 5. I'm Andrew Kinsey.
And I'm Angela Ann. Yolanda will be in later tonight. 10 TV's Lacey Crisp has been following this story since the day of that shooting in 2020. She joins us now live from the Franklin County Courthouse with more. Lacey?
Well, commissioners voted unanimously to give Goodson's family $7 million, saying no amount of money will bring Goodson back.
There's closure on our part, and for the family, I'm very hopeful that that they're healing and that this process has been far too long and far too grueling for them.
No one from Goodson's family was in the Franklin County Commissioners hearing when the vote was taken to settle a lawsuit with Goodson's family for $7 million. In a statement, family attorney Sean Walton said, "Our focus now turns to the criminal justice system and the retrial of Jason Mead. We are determined to see justice served and will continue to advocate tirelessly for the conviction and accountability that Casey deserves." December 4th, 2020, then Franklin County Sheriff's Deputy Jason Mead was working as a member of the U.S. Marshals Task Force when he claims he saw Goodson waving a gun. Mead followed Goodson to Goodson's grandmother's home. In court, Mead said he told Goodson to drop the gun, and police say when Goodson did not, Mead shot and killed Goodson. Earlier this year, a jury could not reach a unanimous decision on murder charges. Mead will be retried later this year.
There's no replacing Casey's life, and can't do that for the Goodson family. But it was a way to be able to have some compensation for the family, and at the same time be able to protect the county from a lawsuit.
In a statement, the Fraternal Order of Police said the deputy-involved shooting of Casey Goodson was a tragedy for both the Goodson and Mead families. No amount of money will give either family their whole lives back. It appears, however, it will line the pockets of attorneys who profit off these tragedies. Attorney Mark Weaver says in its decision, the county had to consider what a jury might award Goodson's family if the case goes to trial and Goodson's family wins.
But I think the real news here is how big the settlement is and how unlikely it would have been for a Franklin County jury to have awarded that much money had this gone to trial.
He says with the statutes of limitations, the county may have needed to move forward now with the settlement, even though a criminal trial is scheduled in 3 months.
There's no doubt that the jurors in the upcoming retrial of Jason Mead will pay attention to this news, but I think this is as much a political decision as a legal decision. These are elected officials. They want to get reelected. They want voters to like them.
And for comparison, the city of Columbus awarded Andre Hill's family $10 million in a settlement after he was shot and killed by former Columbus police officer Adam Coy. Coy is scheduled for a trial in October. Reporting live, Lacey Crisp, 10 TV News.